the BARTSHARP Airbrush AC01 Airbrush Compressor in stunning jet black. Equipped with a 1/6 horsepower reliable and quiet motor, auto start-stop function, 20 to 23 litres of air per minute. Also pre-fitted with an air pressure regulator and moisture trap with 1/8 BSP air outlet. The on-off switch also activates the inbuilt electric fan. The electric fan is an essential feature as it will minimise overheating and greatly extend spraying time. At only 26 cm long, 24 cm high and 13 cm wide, the AC01 is compact but powerful enough to meet your expectations for performance and reliability. It's also backed by our 1-year warranty. BARTSHARP Airbrush, the right products first time.